Hello, my friends. To start off today, I have a funny joke for you that my little twins love to say. What did the mustard say when he was running a race? Hurry and catch up. Get it? Ketchup? Mustard? Yeah, I know. It's cute, right? Well, half the time they get it wrong because there are only 3. But why am I bringing up mustard and ketchup? Because today is ketchup day. Now, I don't mean the red stuff that you put on your French fries. By the way, I do not use ketchup. But it is ketchup day, meaning items that we've released in the past or items that I released with Sizzix back in the day, 100 years ago, are now on our website. And we have some new items to show you. And chances are you need to catch up, and so you can get these items now. We'll start slow. The first one is the words from one of our kit clubs, "You got this," which is a really fun one because sometimes somebody just needs a little pick-me-up. You got this, you got this. So that is now available on our website if you did not get it in the card kit. Another item was in a card kit at one time. It is the Trifold Card Set. Now this one's really fun because it goes on a card front. It says A1, ignore that. Ignore the A1 part. But it goes on a card front and it opens up, kind of like a Z-fold card, which is really fun because it gives you so many different options. Just something different to open than the regular card. It gives you like a card front that opens and then the card itself. But the card itself is not included. You put this on a card base. Then, saving this one for last, then we now have on our website the pineapple ink. I know a lot of you are saying, finally! I know, we released this in a kit a while back, and now it's finally on the release schedule to release. We have the big pad, the mini pad, so you can do your ink blending, and the refill. You'll never run out of pineapple ink. So now it's available to match the felt and the cardstock that matches, right? Now, two more things. The next item is a grab bag of 10 ribbons that we have released in the past. Now, you probably only need to buy one of these. You could buy more than one, but you will probably get a duplicate or 2. We don't know. You might not get any duplicates. You might get not 100% duplicates, but you know what I mean? So if you love ribbon, oh my gosh, now is the time to stock up on random colors because this price cannot be beat, right? We just need to get some more room in the warehouse. So Ken's like, nope, just put them in bundles of 10 and sell them as low as you can. And we just need to get them out of the warehouse. So that's what we're doing. 10 different ribbons in here. And let me just tell you, I was looking at this one saying, oh, I'm keeping this one because, ooh, I need that color. And oh my goodness, I haven't had that color in a long time. And ooh, I just ran out of this color. Ooh, so you never know what you're gonna get. So if you love ribbon, you could get 2. But I'm just saying there could be a couple of duplicates, okay? Now, 100 years ago, I used to work for Sizzix and I used to be a designer for them as well. And I released this product. And once I left Sizzix, it went into the vault. It's my design, so we are releasing it now through the Stamps of Life. And we have had so many requests for this one. This is a 5x7 flip it, and you are gonna love it. You do need a larger machine. You need the 8.5x11 machine, but here we go. Dun, da, da, da. If you bought this when I was at the other company, do not buy this. You already have it. But a lot of you don't have it. A lot of you have discovered Stephanie Bernard or the Stamps of Life in the last 6 or 7 years, and you never got a chance to buy this. Now you can. And you guys, let me just tell you, it's amazingly awesome. It has so many dies. Let me show you. I have a lot of samples. Yes, it comes with this little cute cupcake and this big border of balloons. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Here's another one. Happy birthday. It is a 5x7 flip it, you guys. This is so awesome. You are going to have so much fun with these. Here's another one. Lots of different colors. Lots of options on this one. Oh, look, just with pattern paper. Love it. Love it. Here's happy birthday. You guys are going to fall in love with this one. And guess what? The best part is right now for 24 hours while it's first on our website, it's on flash sale. Just saying, get it now. 5x7. We're talking some Massive real estate on this. Club members, you know the deal. You're getting the club discount on all of these products. Why? Because we love you. If you're not in the club, you can be in the club for as little as $13.99 a month. Guess what? We have 4 clubs. Stamp Club, Die Hard Club, Kit Club, and our fastest growing club, the Fold It Club, the Shaped Card Club. So go check out our website, stampsoflife.com. The hardest part for you is going to be to decide which one. And you know what? We have some people that don't even make that decision. They take the stress off their lives and they just sign up for all of them. They're in our Diamond Club. Whoa, lots of Diamond Club members out there. I see you. Thank you so much. I'll see you again soon. Take care. Bye-bye. so much for watching. Now, make sure you subscribe to our channel right below us here so you don't miss out on any of our videos. You'll also have the option to click the Shop Now button or check out some of these other videos that we have on YouTube, because you know what? You're gonna love them. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.